All right, so Kaspa right now is currently at 11 cents. So, right now is truly a great time to buy Kaspa, guys. Okay, it really, really is. So, in today's video, I want to explain why, okay, buying Kaspa at this price of 11 cents is a great time to buy because this may be the bottom for Kaspa. Okay, it may not be. Okay, we could potentially see Kaspa breaking down to 10 cents or even below 10 cents. But personally, I do believe Kaspa is right now at its bottom. Okay, or it could be near its bottom. So right now, guys, is a great time to buy Kaspa. We know, guys, okay, where Kaspa is heading long term, right? And understand Kaspa is still new, right? It's only been around for 3 years. Right now, Kaspa is gonna, experience its first ever bull cycle, right? Kaspa has not went through a bull cycle just yet, but it is in one right now. As we know, we are in fact in a bull market, so this is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull cycle, right? And Kaspa's still, developing. Okay, it's still new, guys. Okay, I feel like the community for Kaspa is still pretty small. Not everyone is talking about Kaspa. So understand, guys, we are still so early into Kaspa. We haven't even seen tier 1 listings just yet for Kaspa, right? It's not in Binance, it's not in crypto.com, it's not even in Coinbase, right? But it will eventually. Okay, it's going to happen, guys, and I hope you guys are ready for it. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, so Kaspa right now, guys, okay, at 11 cents. Okay, and I want to explain why, right now is a great time, okay, to buy some Kaspa, especially at 11 cents. So you guys can clearly see for over a year, okay, we have seen Kaspa right in between this support level, okay, of 10 cents, and of course the resistance of 20 cents. Okay, and that was in fact Kaspa's all-time high as of right now, 20 cents, almost 21 cents. So you guys can clearly see during this time, okay, November of 2023, okay, we saw Kaspa going down and then it formed back up, right? So it created another higher high, it went back down, and then created another higher high. Okay, y'all can clearly see that, right? And then went down. Okay, it didn't create a higher high this time. Okay, and that's why we are in fact seeing Kaspa still, okay, not above 20 cents. Okay, but soon enough, guys, okay, we're gonna see Kaspa going back up to its previous high of 20 cents, breaking this resistance, and once we see a clear breakout, it's going to shoot up. Okay, that's what's going to happen for Kaspa. So you guys can clearly see there's a very clear pattern that is happening right now for Kaspa. So understand Kaspa right now, okay, it is down. So the next thing Kaspa should be doing is forming another leg up, right? Very, very soon. And we know, guys, okay, alt season is about to begin, right? So, soon enough, okay, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping. And when that happens, okay, we're going to see the money moving into altcoins, and that's going to lead us to alt season. So understand when alt season does begin, I do believe Kaspa will easily go back up to 20 cents and even reaching a new high, right? And understand, guys, we have been seeing Kaspa at 11 cents for a while now, okay, for a while. Okay, so I really do believe buying Kaspa at 11 cents is truly a great buy, right? It really, really is. And understand, guys, when we see Kaspa this bull run going to a new high of 50 cents to 60 cents to even 80 cents to $1 and higher, right? We may not see Kaspa ever again in history going back down to 11 cents. Okay, and understand, guys, Kaspa has been going back down to 11 cents for a while, right? So understand, we may not see Kaspa at 11 cents forever. Okay, soon enough, this will change, guys. Okay, understand that, right? So yeah, Kaspa right now, okay, still not really moving at 11 cents. For the week, it is down over 7%, 7.5%. And for the month, it's down almost 28%. So think about it, right? Right now is truly, obviously, a great time to buy some Kaspa. Now, right now, okay, the volume for Kaspa, okay, $84 million. Okay, the market cap for Kaspa is still below 3 billion, 2.9 billion. You also clearly see the hash rate right now, 1.32 exahash. Okay, I believe its high was around 1.57 exahash. Okay, and soon enough, this is going to get to 2 exahash one day. Okay, believe that. And the next reduction is going to be in 24 days. So that's going to be early of February. And the next reward is going to be 65 Kaspa, right? So looking pretty good for Kaspa, guys. Okay, now look at this, guys. This is actually pretty interesting. So this just shows you guys the supply not moved in over a year, okay, for Kaspa. So it says here over 28% of Kaspa supply hasn't moved in over a year, almost double what it was a year ago. Okay, long-term holders are stacking hard, while weak hands sell. This is what real conviction looks like. Okay, so this is very, very bullish for Kaspa. Okay, very, very bullish for Kaspa, guys. Okay, a lot of people are in fact holding, okay, because they understand where Kaspa is heading long term. Now, I came across this article, okay, and this article is actually pretty interesting, okay, and we know, guys, okay, grayscale, okay, and a lot of hedge funds out there, right, are in fact buying into Kaspa, right? They're getting into Kaspa. So the Kaspa price might boost as it garners grayscale's interest, right? So understand, guys, okay, very, very bullish, as we know, right? Very, very bullish, okay, as we know, okay, a lot of hedge funds out there, grayscale themselves, you know, they're looking into Kaspa, right? They really, really are. And soon enough, guys, right, CNBC, right, they're going to be talking about Kaspa, okay, a lot of news articles out there, people in general are going to start talking about Kaspa. I feel like a lot of people are not really talking about Kaspa right now, okay? Like I said, the community for Kaspa is still pretty small, right? Which is a good sign. Like, I'm not saying this is bad, but this is a good sign. It just shows us that we are, you know, the early investors right now for Kaspa. Okay, we really, really are, guys. I see Kaspa right now like the early stages of Bitcoin. You know, where Bitcoin was back in 2015, even all the way back in like 2013. That is exactly where I see Kaspa right now, guys. And understand, I'm here for long term. I don't know about you guys, but I'm here for long term. So I'm simply buying into Kaspa and I'm holding it, right? Even this bull run, I'll probably sell 5% of my Kaspa, but that's it. I'll probably wouldn't sell any of it, right? Because I'm simply just holding it because I know where Kaspa is heading long term, right? So that is that. But yeah, getting to the charts for Kaspa, guys, starting off with this one. Kaspa, okay, is in a sweet spot to accumulate. I'm expecting a bounce again from HTFOB level. So yes, it's clearly see, okay, Kaspa, right, we are fixing a very, very strong, right, support level happening for Kaspa, still above it, so it's looking pretty good, but, you know, it is going to bounce back up, guys, to 20 cents, right, which is its previous all-time high, and it's going to be reaching a new high. Okay, it's all about patience, guys. This is going to happen. Okay, so understand, while Kaspa is still down over here at 11 cents, this is a great buy right now. Okay, Kaspa at 11 cents, guys, please understand this is truly a great time to buy Kaspa. Okay, it really, really is, because soon enough, right, we're going to see Kaspa going up to 20 cents. Okay, and then, right, it's going to be reaching a new high, and we may not see Kaspa going back down to 11 cents ever again. Right, understand that, guys. Kaspa will be reaching $1. It's going to be reaching $3, $5, and eventually $10, $20, and higher, right? It's going to happen, guys. Of course, I am talking long term, right? When Bitcoin reaches $10 and higher, I'm talking long term here, right? But understand, it's going to happen. It's not if, guys, it's when, okay? And it's going to happen, okay? And yes, I'm not saying we're going to see, you know, Kaspa reaching $10 this bull run, right? But in the next bull run, it is very possible, right? So get ready for that, guys. Okay, I do believe Kaspa, you know, its market cap is going to be the same as, you know, Ethereum's, okay, and even Bitcoin, right? As high as, you know, 1 trillion. It's going to happen one day. Call me crazy, but it's going to happen, guys, okay? So understand, okay, Kaspa has been perfectly consolidating for over a year, okay, 1.5 years after its huge run in the next bear market, in the last bear market. 50 cents will be the next stop soon, and that one will be like a coffee stop on the road. So I've talked about Kaspa reaching 50 cents. Okay, I talked about it in yesterday's video. So if you guys haven't seen my most previous video about me talking about Kaspa, you know, reaching 50 cents very, very soon, you should definitely check out, you know, check that video out if you haven't already. But yeah, I talked about Kaspa reaching 50 cents. Okay, now it seems like I'm not the only one that is predicting here that Kaspa is going to be reaching 50 cents very, very soon. So you just clearly see the Fibonacci targets, right? The Fibonacci, you know, retracement levels is 50 cents, right? So that is one of its targets. Okay, and you also clearly see, yes, Kaspa has in fact been consolidating, right? Very strong consolidation for over a year. So honestly, this is a great time to DCA. Okay, if you've been simply DCAing to Kaspa for the past year, okay, while it's been consolidating, understand this is a true blessing, because soon enough we're going to see a breakout, and Kaspa is going to go to new highs. Okay, and we may not see Kaspa going back down to these levels of 20 cents and lower, right? So understand, guys, this is truly a great time right now to buy Kaspa while it's still at 11 cents. Okay, we're not going to see Kaspa at 11 cents for long. Understand that. This is not going to happen, you know, forever, right? We're not going to see Kaspa staying at 11 cents forever, guys. Okay, please understand that, right? Now, it is still a great time, okay, to buy Kaspa. Most everyone in crypto space is predicting that coins will boom within the next few months. Kaspa is still sitting at a generous sale, allowing investors to buy more for cheap before it explodes. Kaspa was the top performer in 2023, and this is okay its first bull run, right? Only a fool would think it won't go nuclear in 2025 by Kaspa before it's too late, okay? So understand, guys, right now is truly the best time to buy Kaspa, right? It really, really is, okay? Ignore the FUD, okay? Ignore it, guys, okay? Understand we are still so early into Kaspa, so understand there will be FUD around Kaspa, but understand, okay, just like any other, early crypto projects, like for example, Cardano, Solana, even Ethereum, even Bitcoin, right? There was a lot of FUD, right, in those early stages of those, crypto tokens. And that's exactly where Kaspa is right now. There is, in fact, a fair few FUD out there, okay, about Kaspa, but understand we are still so early into Kaspa. Like, for example, okay, a couple years ago, no one believed in Cardano, for example, right? But look at it. Last bull market, it performed absolutely amazing, even without smart contracts for Cardano. And it still performed absolutely amazing. And we know Kaspa is going to be coming out with smart contracts very, very soon. Okay, we're going to see, the blocks, right? 10 blocks per second. That's going to happen, right? It's being tested right now. And of course, tier one listings. Like, we are still so early into Kaspa, guys, right? Please understand that. Now, it says here, I'd love to see Binance list Kaspa on spot this month to kick off 2025. Smash that like and retweet if you agree. So, of course, I liked it. Okay, I 100% agree that Binance, okay, they should be listing Kaspa very, very soon, guys. As I told you guys many times, we're going to see tier one listings happening for Kaspa. Binance will be listing Kaspa. Coinbase, crypto.com even, right? These major crypto, tier one exchanges, they're going to list Kaspa eventually, guys. It's not if, it's when. It may not happen this year, 2025. Okay, as much as we want, a lot of these tier one crypto exchanges to list Kaspa this year, right? It may not happen, okay, but maybe next year, 2026 to maybe even 2027. Who knows? Okay, if it doesn't happen this year, then most likely it's going to happen sometime down the road, okay? But yeah, Crypto Rover says here, my targets for this bull market. And he, mentions all these different crypto coins, right? His prediction, right, for this bull market, Bitcoin, okay, $240,000, Ethereum at $12,000, Solana, $1,500. And he mentions here, Kaspa at $3, right? $3, guys. And as I told you guys, right, my personal Kaspa price prediction, okay, for this year, 2025, if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But I told you guys many times that personally, I do see Kaspa reaching at least, okay, $1 to $1.50. That's my base case. And the most bullish scenario is around $2.50 to $3, right? I told you guys that. So seems like I am not the only one that is predicting that Kaspa can go as high as $3 this bull market. It is possible, guys, okay? Honestly, it may happen. Okay, I'm not saying it will 100% happen. Remember, guys, these are just all predictions at the end of the day, okay? And we could be wrong, and we might be, but who knows, right? Who exactly knows? You guys let me know in the comments down below, what is your personal Kaspa price prediction for this year in 2025, right? I'd love to know. But that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. So, Kaspa right now, 11 cents. Great time to buy. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Okay, Kaspa right now is so undervalued and it's very cheap, right? It's very, very cheap. And soon enough, we're going to see Kaspa reaching 50 cents. We're going to see it reaching 60 cents, 80 cents to $1 to $1.50 to $2 to $5 to $10 and higher. Okay, and we may not see Kaspa ever again at 11 cents. Understand, we're not going to see Kaspa at 11 cents forever, right? It will explode. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. So take this time to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can while it's still undervalued at 11 cents. This is a great time right now to, accumulate, right? It really, really is. So that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I really would appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. It's been absolutely amazing. So that being said, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.